Every man hits a point in his life where he thinks, how the hell did I drift this far from myself? And for me, it wasn't one moment. It was definitely a slow bleed over a long time. Running businesses, supporting a family, carrying responsibility. Meanwhile, my energy, the power inside I once felt was tanking. My confidence just obliterated, and I started to feel very isolated, very invisible in my own life. And I realized something after doing this for almost 30 years. Most men aren't lacking discipline. They're not even lazy. We're just fried, burned out, nervous system shot, running on caffeine, stress, and willpower. Always playing a game of chess in our heads, trying to stay 3 moves ahead. And no fitness program, no motivational speech, no 6-week challenge is ever going to fix that. Why? Because everyone starts and jumps right into the tree. Nobody takes the time to rebuild the man underneath. And that's why I created the Second Wind Brotherhood. To give men over 40 a real reset, a way to rebuild their energy, strength, clarity, and confidence from the inside out. You start with nervous system regulation first. Breathwork meditations come first, then we train. And when you do it in that order, you rise fast and the habits stick. If you feel like you've been stuck in first gear, if you feel like there's a better version of yourself out there waiting, if you want your second act to be your strongest, then this is for you. Click the link and start the sprint. It's time to breathe, rebuild, and rise.